Hello, you super cool epic human beings, or I don't know, other species. Today I'm gonna be playing Roblox instead of like Minecraft or Geometry Dash, and the game I'm playing is called Don't Press the Button 4. As you can see, it looks pretty good. There's some people being sucked up into a UFO. And guys, I'm pressing a button that might set off a nuke, so let's just play. Escape the burning building. Good thing I'm not on it. I can't press it. Is there anybody alive? Yeah. Oh, hi. All of these people died. All of these people died. Why are you here and why are you so big? What's this? Okay, no mind. Do you want to get some bigger reward? Oh, I got like 100 points. Okay, I'll go too. This should be fun. Whee! So I'm just, okay. Grab the most ring. Wait. I got a ring. Gotta catch 'em all. Yay! I got 6. Oh wait, please don't say I'm gonna die. Am I gonna... 60 points? Reach the top? Okay. Sounds simple enough. Although I'm not doing very good at it. Aha. I'm pretty much... See ya. Hope you had a good life. Take cover under the umbrellas. No, I'm under the umbrella. I was under the umbrella. I was under the umbrella. There's a freaking umbrella. Umbrella. Is it umbrella or umbrella? I don't really know. Who the heck would play this? 5. What the heck is 5? Okay. See, I'm good at this. I'm good at hole-in-the-wall games. Knock on the door. I don't want to. I'm afraid something... Aww. At least I got candy. What? Got a catch-up ball. I got him. played Speedrun 4, so I actually know. It's simple parkour, you guys. It's simple parkour. You dodge the pink things. It's really that hard. You just dodge the pink things. Okay. I admit it's a little hard. Just a little. Aliens? Oh no, they're all being sucked in. That's not good. Sorry guys. Oh no. Oh no. It's not moving. That was easy. You have to be kidding me. How am I supposed to survive when it literally spawned on me? It spawned on me. How am I supposed to survive if it spawned on me? World of risk. Here are we? Get in my shack. I hate mazes. Did you know that mazes are not very good? I don't know if it's... definitely going to lose. That was kind of unfair because she literally has a rainbow carpet and she could fly. Wait, where does it come from? Oh.
Knock, knock! Who's there? That door!
I jumped. I'm doing pretty good. Yay, now I can jump in the water because I technically won. Grab the correct color. Also, this is not my dog on the shirt. My dog's big and brown. Also, that was really easy. Oh no. Okay. I think that was a good video. I don't know about you. No. Goodbye, guys. I don't know how to make outros, but so goodbye.